Hello, this video is showing how to use this lock. When you want to lock the door, you just in the red position and just push the small lock button here, the red corner. Yeah, it is locked. Now when you want to open it, you just push any button to light up the keyboard. And try again. Light up keyboard and input your password. And push the lock button. Yeah, it will unlocked. And if you input the if you input the wrong number, wrong password, don't panic. You just just wait a minute and light up the keyboard and re-enter your password. Yeah, it will open. Yeah, that's all. And sometimes it will report some mistake error alert. Just wait a minute and try again. Don't panic. That's all. Thank you.